In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if an email was read in Microsoft Outlook quickly and efficiently with this 2025 guide. We all know that feeling of anticipation after sending an important email, wondering if it's been opened or is just lingering unread in the recipient's inbox. But don't worry, Microsoft Outlook offers some built-in options that can help put your mind at ease. Start by opening up your Microsoft Outlook application. The first thing you'll want to do is create a new email. Once you've opened up a new mail window, navigate to the top of that window where you'll see a series of options, and look for the three small dots, often referred to as the More Options button. It's usually located near the top, and clicking on these dots will drop down a menu with further options for customizing your email. From this menu, choose Show Message Options. This is an important step, as it allows you to configure your settings on this particular email. When you do this, a separate window will open up with a variety of selections you can apply. Here, you'll want to focus on the checkboxes for Request a Read Receipt and Request a Delivery Receipt. Checking these boxes will activate notifications for when your message is delivered and subsequently read by the recipient. Each has a slightly different function. A delivery receipt confirms that your email has reached the intended email server, while a read receipt indicates that the person has actually opened your email. Do keep in mind, though, that the recipient can choose whether to send a read receipt, so it's not a guaranteed confirmation of being read. Once you've checked the boxes that suit your needs, click OK to solidify your choices and return to your email. You can continue composing your message if you haven't done so already, and when you're ready, hit send. That's all it takes on your part. Now, after sending the email, it's time to wait. If the recipient has their read receipts enabled, you'll get an email notification indicating that your email was opened. However, remember that while enabling this feature increases the chance of receiving confirmation, it's still up to the recipient's email settings to permit the receipt. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep track of your emails and know if they've been read. It's a fantastic feature for professionals who need confirmation for sent emails, providing peace of mind and ensuring smoother communication. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to boost your efficiency in Microsoft Outlook.